This is the spare key 2011 Golf. We have cloned this chip using Autel XP400. This is the customer's current key, which works the central locking. This new one does not. So we're going to put the new one in the ignition and turn it on. So we just pressed back and we got back to this screen where we pressed clone 48. So add remote control. Press the unlock button on the door. Okay. Press any button. So remote control adding succeeded. Okay. So if we switch that off, take this out, that key still works, and so does our new key. That's how to clone using Autel and how to put in the central locking. Thank you.